AI in music. Composing the future. As technology rapidly evolves, the influence of artificial intelligence, AI, on music composition becomes increasingly profound. Imagine a world where songs are crafted not just by human hands, but also by intelligent algorithms that analyze patterns and emotions. This groundbreaking merger of creativity and technology not only enhances the creative process, but also challenges traditional perspectives on what it means to be an artist. At the forefront of this revolution, AI can generate melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that resonate with listeners on a fundamental level. By analyzing vast databases of existing music, AI models identify trends and styles, enabling them to compose original pieces that reflect familiar genres, yet incorporate innovative elements. These AI compositions can evoke feelings ranging from nostalgia to excitement, seamlessly merging the emotional depth of human music making with the limitless possibilities of technology. The collaboration between musicians and AI presents astonishing opportunities for exploration and experimentation. Artists can input their musical ideas into AI programs and receive suggestions or variations that push the boundaries of their compositions. This synergy fosters a creative environment where human intuition and AI's analytical prowess coexist, resulting in compositions that might not have been possible through traditional methods alone. Such partnerships can lead to fresh sounds and genre-blending styles that redefine musical landscapes, inviting listeners to experience music in new dimensions. Moreover, AI aids in the democratization of music creation, allowing aspiring musicians to produce quality compositions without extensive training. With user-friendly AI tools, individuals can transform their musical visions into reality, stimulating innovation and a diverse range of musical expressions. This shift encourages a broader spectrum of voices and stories to emerge, enriching the global music scene while fostering an inclusive atmosphere for artists from various backgrounds. However, the rise of AI in music composition raises significant discussions about creativity, authorship, and the future role of human musicians. As algorithms continue to evolve, one question remains central. Can AI truly replicate the complex emotions embedded in human expression? While AI-generated compositions are undoubtedly striking, many argue that the human touch, intuition, and emotional depth are irreplaceable elements that give music its profound impact. In conclusion, the integration of AI in music composition symbolizes not only technological advancement, but also an exciting future where creativity flourishes through collaboration. This fusion of human artistry and machine intelligence presents an unparalleled opportunity to explore the uncharted territories of sound, ultimately reshaping how we create and experience music for generations to come.